Hey guys, this is Nick Augustine with Grace Technologies Business Development Team. Here today to talk about our USB-C charging capability. So we have some new components and several new configurations that are going to be able to cover a variety of applications while minimizing the part numbers needed to get the accurate Grace port to do that. So in front of me, I have 4 new components. We have our C1 component, which is a combination of the USB-A and USB-C charging components. The C2 component minimizes that down to just the USB-C. And we have our RDC, which is a duplex outlet with 2 USB-A charging stations, and our RAC outlet, which is a duplex outlet with a USB-A and a USB-C charging station built into the outlet. The reason we're expanding upon this, we introduced the USB-C charging component to the GracePort to be added into configurations. And we can customize these. Every GracePort is able to be customized with exactly the ports you needed. And we have about 20,000 part numbers of these. So as we were adding USB-C in, we realized that there was an opportunity to kind of shrink that part number base down and make this more convenient, not only for us, but for all of our customers as well. So one of the things that came up real popular is the duplex outlet with multiple USBs built into the outlet. And then along with a Ethernet port, and then sometimes a USB bulkhead, covers the majority of applications for a lot of system integrators, a lot of machine builders. For beyond that, we can specify more ports to get more customized if there's something that's better fitting. Another value that GracePorts bring are the ability to customize the ports to your application, not only with the components that we put in, be it the outlets, the USB ports, the Ethernet ports, but we can also customize your logo. We can take the GracePort logo that you'll see in the bottom here, with the image that you provide, we can add your logo in place of that, and there is no charge for that. So that's a very valuable service to a lot of OEMs, a lot of machine builders that are able to put in a top quality port with their own branded image on there that's driving business back to them. So if you're interested in that, reach out. We can provide information and mock you up a new GracePort so you can see what it looks like, and that only takes a couple hours. Some of the customer feedback that we've been receiving from the USB-C charging component is the ability to remove control transformers from a panel if all you're including them for is to add an outlet. So the unique benefits of that is you get to lower the cost in your equipment by removing that unnecessary part now. The USB-C is a little bit more restricted access. You don't have an open outlet where somebody can plug in an unauthorized tool to that and risk damaging your equipment. It's lower voltage, so you're not bringing an entire outlet 120 to the door. You can keep that below 50 volts if you're operating in a low voltage cabinet. The space savings, it's a lot smaller and a lot more cost effective. So your footprint of the installation is going to be smaller with the USB-C. The bulkiness of those laptop chargers, you don't have to carry around anymore. And then the cost of those chargers, it's a lot more cost effective to replace a USB-C charging cable than it is the OEM factory laptop charger. So that's convenient for when things get misplaced around the facility. All of our GracePorts are built and shipped within 3 to 4 business days. So if you are interested in having a conversation, configuring a custom GracePort, or exploring which of the existing options is suitable for your application, reach out today. Give us a call at the number below, or send us an email, sales@gracetechnologies.com. We'd love to have a conversation and make sure that we can get you a high value product for your application.